Good evening. Today my groupmates and I, Ingze and Weng Chiao, are going to present our title today. How does kinesthetic learner are going to apply sentence method in doing notes? Okay. Generally, we know that kinesthetic learner learn by doing things. They do, then they learn. Okay. For example, they are doing experiments. Okay, they are doing experiment for science, and they are trying to find out the boiling point of water. So when they are doing the experiment, suddenly they stumble into an important fact, and that important facts, of course, are going to be jotted down, right? So let's say they found out that the thermometer cannot touch the base of the beaker, so that the temperature will be more precise. So this is how they are going to take notes. Okay, the thermometer, they will use it as a short form, thermo, don't touch base, so that it will be more precise. This is how they are going to use the sentence method. They make a long words, they turn it into a shorter words. Okay, they are going to use short form and a lot of symbols that only they, if and only if they can understand it. Okay, so let's say for procedure, they can jot it down like put apparatus, they jot it like put apple, take temp is a short form for temperature. So different people have different kind of short forms they are using, depends on their understanding. Let's say they are learning math. Okay, they are trying to solve an equation. Let's say x squared plus 2x minus 3. So when they are trying to solve it, they stumble into an important fact. Let's say they found out that b squared minus 4ac cannot be less than 0. So this is how they are going to take notes. They are going to write if b squared minus 4ac less than 0, it will be a wrong statement. You see? This is a sign for wrong. And let's say they are trying to jot down the procedure. This is how they are going to take the note. Take coefficient. Coefficient, they turn it into coef. Number 2, sub in formula. Sub is a short form for substitute. Okay, this is how kinesthetic learner apply sentence method. Okay, now I'm passing the floor to Ingze.
Hello, I am Ingze, and I'm going to talk about the advantages of note making by using sentence method. First of all, when we make notes, and we can easily to recall into a topic. For example, when we read our notes, we can easily to recover what lecturers had taught during the class. Second, for the kinesthetic learner, when they drop down the notes, they keep their fingers busy. For example, when they type the note into a laptop by using word processors, or by writing the notes down into a foolscap paper or A4 paper. Then most of them were using flashcards, because flashcard is the most easy way to let them to study the notes. For example, the flashcards can be written in this way, like there is the topic and this is the main point for the topic, and they can easily to study like this. They keep the flashcards on their hands and work and to study and do their revision about Kirchhoff laws. And this can help them to memorize information easily if compared to they listen to the lecturers and watching the slides given by the lecturers. Thank you, and I will pass my time to Yuan Chao.
Hi, my name is Yuan Chao, and now I'm going to talk about the disadvantages of sentence method to a kinesthetic learner. First of all, getting down easily. What do I mean getting down easily? A kinesthetic learner will most probably get bored very fast when they try to summarize a long paragraph. Why do I say so? It is because to summarize a long paragraph, it requires you to keep yourself focused at all times, and you need to go through the paragraph words by words carefully. For a kinesthetic learner, they will find that it is quite hard for them to do so, as they need to walk around to study. Next, putting more effort. After summarizing a long paragraph, a kinesthetic learner, they couldn't just study the notes they had summarized. It is because they prefer to study by hands-out exercises. As a visual learner, they could just read through the notes they had just summarized, while an auditory learner, they could just read out the notes they had summarized for them to listen as to aid their study. However, a kinesthetic learner, they need to do it practically. So, a kinesthetic learner needs to put in more efforts compared to visual and auditory learners. Therefore, sentence method is not recommended for a kinesthetic learner as it is not efficiency. That is all for our presentation. Thank you.